Meet the stainless steel Finger Guardian, your trusty sidekick in the kitchen that not only adds a dash of style, but also keeps your fingers safe and sound during culinary escapades. Crafted from gleaming stainless steel, this finger guard is more than just a kitchen accessory. It's your culinary confidant, your kitchen knight in shining armor, ready to bravely shield your digits from the perils of chopping, dicing, and slicing. Sleek and suave design. Imagine a finger guard that doesn't just do the job, but does it with flair. The stainless steel Finger Guardian boasts a sleek and suave design that's sure to turn heads in your culinary domain. Its polished surface gleams like a kitchen jewel, adding a touch of personality to your cooking adventures. Who said kitchen tools can't be stylish? This finger guard begs to differ. Culinary companion. This finger guard isn't just a kitchen tool, it's your culinary companion, your partner in flavor exploration. As you venture into the realm of intricate knife work, the stainless steel Finger Guardian stands by your side, ensuring that your fingers are well protected without cramping your style. It's like having a reliable sous chef that never takes a break. Expressive and functional. Why settle for bland when you can have a finger guard with personality? The stainless steel Finger Guardian is not just a stoic protector, it's an expressive piece of kitchen art. Its curves and contours don't just serve a functional purpose, they tell a story of culinary creativity and the joy of preparing delicious meals. Let your kitchen tools reflect your passion, starting with this expressive finger guard. Gourmet defender. Step into the realm of gourmet cooking with the stainless steel Finger Guardian as your defender. This finger guard transforms ordinary kitchen tasks into culinary adventures. Whether you're julienning veggies for a vibrant salad or chiffonating herbs for a gourmet dish, let this guardian add a touch of sophistication to your culinary creations. It's not just about safety, it's about elevating your cooking game. Easy-going protector. In the chaotic dance of chopping and mincing, your fingers need a laid-back protector. Enter the stainless steel Finger Guardian. With its easygoing vibe, this finger guard doesn't add stress to your kitchen routine. It slips on effortlessly, stays in place without a fuss, and lets you focus on the joy of cooking without worrying about finger acrobatics. The stainless steel Finger Guardian is not one to shy away from versatility. It adapts to your cooking style, whether you're a precision chopping perfectionist or a free-spirited experimental chef. Its versatility meets personality, making it an indispensable tool for both the meticulous and the adventurous cooks out there. Fashion-forward kitchen. Who says your kitchen can't be a runway? With the stainless steel Finger Guardian, your kitchen becomes a fashion-forward haven. Let your culinary space reflect your style and turn heads not just with your cooking skills, but with the chic accessories that accompany them. This finger guard is not just a kitchen tool, it's a fashion statement for the culinary connoisseur. Durable charm. Beauty that stands the test of time, that's the charm of the stainless steel Finger Guardian. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this guardian doesn't just protect, it does so with enduring elegance. Its timeless charm adds a layer of sophistication to your kitchen toolkit, promising to be a steadfast companion on your culinary journey. Thank you for watching. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And I will see you in the next one.